As the weather warms up, all we want to do is open up the windows and let the fresh air in. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about window safety right after this. Looking for easy home improvements? Instantly refresh the look of your bathroom by changing the grill on your bath fan or by adding one with a decorative light. If your mirror stays foggy after a shower, it's time for a new bath fan altogether. The Braun Upgrade Kit lets you convert your bath fan to a new one in less than 10 minutes. In the kitchen, consider replacing your range hood with a Braun under cabinet hood. It's so easy to install, you don't even need a contractor. Learn more at Braun.com. Braun New Tone, come home to fresh air. Opening your windows makes a house feel great and smell better, but you can make your home safer for your children by keeping furniture, including cribs and dressers or anything else children can climb on, away from windows. Window screens are designed to keep insects out, not keep children in. They can't support the weight of a child. If you have double hung windows, open them from the top, not the bottom, to maximize airflow and minimize a child's access. Many window companies also offer ventilation locks that allow the windows to be partially open from the bottom for fresh air while remaining securely locked to prevent accidents. It's also important that your windows are not painted or nailed shut. You have to be able to open them to escape in case of an emergency. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.